Good day everybody. In this video I'm going to be showing my AdSense earning and explaining how I make my earnings and how I increase my CPCs with my method. Alright, join me as I log into my Google AdSense account. Alright, let's head it up. Okay, alright. So you can see for the dashboard today, you'll see we made 1.75k today so far from Google AdSense. You can see it for yourself over here. Let me zoom it. See it, 1.75k. So we're hitting it hard. See for your yesterday so far, you see what we made yesterday so far. We made 1.2k. You see this month, 6.22k so far this month. And today is just 6th of the month, and we have made roughly 6.22k total this month. You can see what we received in our balance, our pending balance. You can see for the last payment, we have been receiving much payments with this account so far. If you have been following us, if you go through our previous video on this channel, you see that I normally put my updates, daily updates on my AdSense account, my daily loading. I normally post my daily reports. All right. So let's come over here. You can see that my impressions are always high. You can always observe. If you observe all my videos, you will know that my impressions are always high because the way we create these cookies makes up the amount of ads that pops up on our website are plenty. They are very, very plenty, which helps us increase our impression. And at the same time, those ads that pop up are high CPC ads because of the cookies used to create them. So we've seen high CPC ads type of content. That's why our CPC is even our clicks. You can see from this place that our clicks is high. You can see the countries we get traffic from. See, United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Switzerland, United States. You see all the countries we get traffic from. You know that these are tier 1 countries. We get traffic from tier 1 countries direct. You understand? So which helps also in the increase of CPC because countries you use in working also matters. You understand? So you can come over here, you see that you see it for the desktop, you see how much we're paying from desktop, you see for tablets, you can see for mobiles, you've seen that we are loading for different devices. We are loading on different devices. We are interchanging on different devices. You can see that the bots can interchange on different types of devices the traffic will be coming from. It does everything by itself. You understand? So this result is not anyhow result. I've always told you the method used to get this is not anyhow method you get online. Let me refresh this account. Alright, so I used to say the method you get here is not anyhow method you get online. This method is very detailed and well explained. You understand? It's a very detailed and well explained method. And with this method, you will not face anything of ad limits, ban, suspension, or invalid traffic. Even if you're facing invalid traffic, it will be very low. You understand? Your invalid traffic will be very, very low. So if you want to learn this method, click on the description box, contact us, tell us your problem. We are going to solve it and give you a solution. Once again, this is John from Flicker Brains. Okay, you can see for the 7 days. So what we made 7 days ago. These 7 days. You can see the CPC. You can see what I've made these 7 days ago. You can see our CCR. So our earnings doesn't pass. Our CPC doesn't go below $5 like that. If you check it, this is the average you have made in the last 7 days. You can see it here. Alright. You can see that we have been hitting it hard. Even you see the impression for the last 7 days, you see that impression is even large. Let me go back to today so far. Okay. So if you want to learn this method, you know the way you can learn this method. You just have to click on the description box, contact us. If you have a method you're already using that is working, we can give you tips on how to improve it and make it more advanced and work more better. You understand?